Welcome back. This is the final installment of the trailer fence series, part 6. Installing the corner hardware and the stake retention pins. The nuts and bolts I purchased from McMaster Car so I could get the exact size I wanted. The corner hardware I sandblasted in the folding license plate video and repainted at the same time. So if you look at this design, you'll see that it requires no tools whatsoever. The front two corners hook into each other in a mechanical fit. The back two corners are slightly different so that you can lift the section out for dumping or loading and unloading. The stake retention pins also require no tools. Putting the trailer together also requires no tools except the two carriage bolts that hold the rear deck to the frame. I can't get around that. Shot the inside angle so you can see what it looked like. You can see I was stepping up the drill bit size. This is very hard wood, and if you go for just the final size, it'll tear the wood out something awful. By the way, here's my one-arm trick for tightening these things down. The reason I'm using a different type of latch on the back of the trailer here is the back tends to hop up and down a lot when the trailer's empty. I want this back fence section locked firmly in place. Normally when I'm towing this trailer, the two side fences and the front fence are always pinned in place in the pocket. However, this back one is usually just locked at the corners. In fact, I never had bottom pins on this trailer until last week when I installed them. I didn't really feel it was necessary. But since I was going all out for YouTube, I thought I might as well add them to make the trailer complete. I originally started using these pins instead of bolts. I kept losing them, so I came up with the idea to chain them to the trailer. Originally I had them chained to the frame, but they were always in the way. So now that I've redone it here, I'm chaining them to the picket fence where they belong. I'm putting these two little pocket things in to give the pin a place to be stored when it's not attached to the trailer. So the curveball with this new trailer and the impetus for this entire picket fence project is that Harbor Freight in their genius moved this pocket location slightly forward about 6 inches, which meant my old fence didn't fit. Compounded by the fact that underneath this pocket is a piece of angle iron. I can't use the linchpin that I had from the old trailer, so I had to go find this extra long one that would fit around the angle iron piece. Well, thank you so much for watching. This concludes part 6 of the picket fence videos. It took me 6 weeks total to build this thing on and off. I think it looks amazing. Next week, I'm going to do a day in the life video showing how fast you can put down mulch with this little trailer, a little help from a garden tractor. Thanks for watching.